Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, your host. Yeah, I tried something. All right, it's Thursday. Thirsty Thursday. I'm hankering for some good water. Yeah, I drink a lot. I drink a lot of water, not just coffee, not just whiskey, but I drink a lot of water. I really do. Last night, I prepared, let me get it right, tomato basil bisque with the Casual Chef garlic bread. This is a must-post recipe, and Robin had one bite, and she went, "This is a repeat." It's that good. But let me say something about the bisque. The bisque itself. The bisque itself is very good. It's a simple soup. It's a simple bisque. But it came with several garnish options. Fresh basil, fresh parsley, and fresh thyme. I went with the fresh basil. Yes. And also an option was, croutons or old pretzel bites. I didn't go either one. And then the third one was some dairy options. Was creme fraiche, sour cream, or Greek yogurt. I decided to go with creme fraiche because I had creme fraiche on hand from my recipe about a week ago. The creme fraiche was fine. Don't add, and the extra, another garnish option, let me go back. We used the creme fraiche. It was good. But swirl it. That's what Robin did. So the other thing was a spoonful of either gorgonzola, blue cheese, sharp cheddar, Gruyere, and blah, blah, blah. I thought maybe, hey, let's do blue cheese. I know Robin loves blue cheese. I like blue cheese. Yeah, don't bother. Don't bother with the cheese. Unless you really want to. That's just my suggestion. Now, my garlic bread, I tried something new. When am I not trying something new? I tried something new, a new kind of a method of ingredients. If you're from the area, the Sutter County, Yolo County area, there used to be a restaurant, I believe in Winters, called Louis Cairo's. Their garlic bread was the bomb. My garlic bread from last night moved to the top of the list. Robin's ultimate was Louis Cairo's garlic bread. My garlic bread last night went to the top. Yes! All right. Tonight, whatever, I'm doing chicken Parmesan meatballs with a side of creamy skillet noodles with peas. Let me show you what I got going on. Got some hardware. Working with a new product for me. I wasn't sure if I was able to find this in my wonderful Bel Air market, but ground chicken. It's 8% fat. Let's see. I'll let you guys know tomorrow how it works out. But being a meatball, there's breadcrumbs. Of course, there's Parmesan cheese because, well, the recipe name is, Parmesan in it. Yeah. An egg. There's going to be some garlic powder, whole thyme, and garlic and onion powder. Of course, salt and pepper. This jarred sauce is just a placeholder until I can get to the market after Grey's Anatomy. This is basically all smothered in, the meatballs are smothered in a jarred sauce. Of course, it's topped off with mozzarella. Now we get to the egg noodle dish. We're going with a medium egg noodle. And there's a little bit of olive oil, some chicken stock, some heavy cream, butter, and of course, peas, the frozen peas. This is half of the garlic bread from last night. We'll have it with dinner tonight. Oh, yummy. One of the other things, when I do prepare my meatballs, I will be using a scoop, because by using a scoop, not only do I get a uniform size on all my meatballs, but it also helps with measuring. Yeah. So, yeah. Professional kitchens tend to use scoops, and the scoops are of different sizes of ounces for portion control. It's really important when you're budgeting. So, we got sun. Yep, playing weatherman. We got sun. But the weather's changing here in at least Sacramento County area. So, on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.